Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today, as promised, I'm going to be taking you around in my home for my Christmas home tour. I hope that you enjoy it. I have finished up finally, and I think that it is all done. So we're going to get right into it, but before I do, I just want to tell everyone who is in the running for the Fitville sneakers to stay tuned until the end, because Bob is going to pull the name. I have several people who have put the code word sneakers in the comments, and so I'm going to put all the names into a hat, and Bob is going to pull out the winner. So you will see that at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end to see who the winner is, and enjoy the Christmas home tour. So part of my decor is scent, and this is a Scentsy warmer I got last year, and it counts down the days until Christmas. It's just a really cute little snowman, and I ran out of Christmas Scentsy melts, so I did pick up a Yankee Candle white spruce and grapefruit wax melt, and it smells incredible. And I just lit this Kringle candle that someone gave me as a gift last year, and it just looks cozy, and the scent mixes really well with the white spruce and grapefruit. And then I love to have these little tower figurines. I love this one with the little owl and the little penguin, and they're sitting on a snowman who is riding a reindeer. So he is just so cute. I have this wooden Santa who I've had for years. I have this little reindeer garland, which is so cute, and I just wrapped the whole thing in a grapevine wreath that is white and very festive. I love Santas. I have quite a collection of Santas, and I like to showcase them. And I have dressed up this lamp in a Christmas bow. And then I have my pillows. This year it says hot cocoa, and this pillow is dressed up in a sweater to give it a cozy feel. And then I said that I had a collection of Santas, and you can just set them up anywhere so that you can see them all the time. If you have a collection like this, I have set them up on my stairs so that they're all just there, and I see them every day, and I really just enjoy seeing them hanging out on my stairs. One of my subscribers, Andrea, and her husband Bob sent me and my husband Bob these sweet little stocking ornaments with our initials on them. We absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Andrea and Bob. We're going to cherish these ornaments forever. So over Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we're not going to be doing any entertaining at our house this year. We're actually going to my son's and my dad's and my sister-in-law's all on Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day we're going to my daughter's and then my sister-in-law's later in the day. So I am keeping my tablescape very simple this year, and I have a couple of placemats that I bought last year and some Luminara candles sitting in some wreaths, and I'm gonna do a dough bowl sort of little centerpiece here, and I'm using some wreaths that I got at the dollar spot last year at Target, and I'm just kind of squishing them in there just to give some greenery for the base of my dough bowl. And I have these really pretty silver trees from last year and a white candle tree, and I'm just gonna tuck in some of these white berry sort of picks. They're not really picks, but I had used them last year in my wreaths. And I have a gold bottle brush tree that I'm gonna stick in there, a little Noel sign in front of it and some white sparkly picks to put one on each end. And I'm just sort of creating this little evergreen scene with looks like it's got snow in it. And then I have two of these little birds. I'm just putting one on each side of the Noel sign to, give it a Christmassy vibe. And then I'm just filling in on the bottom here with these little berries. So this is very easy to make. I have a little mercury glass vase that I have a little candle, a little LED candle light in there, and this little ornament of a skate that coordinates with the skate hanging on my stairs. So on my kitchen counter, I have some canisters set up with some candy canes and some candy. I have this peppermint bark little picture that I've had for a few years. I have my snowman that I got at Christmas Joy last year down in Chatham. And I have cookies, Christmas cookies in my cookie jar. And it just looks really festive. I have this little snowman and snowwoman candy cane dish that Bob and I picked up from a yard sale a few years ago. I have this Christmas rolling pin that I really love to put out around this time of year, and I just absolutely love the way this looks. I have my Santa with the cardinal on his head and the little tree with some snow on it behind him, which gives it a really cozy look. And these Temptation Christmas mugs I bought a few years ago from QVC, and that little tray is actually the top of a decorative box that I've had for a few years.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
So I started decorating my coffee bar for Christmas a couple of weeks ago, just removing the fall, putting the Christmas coffee syrups. I got myself some hot cocoa for my Keurig machine, and I got these cute espresso cups. And I just love how everything came out. I will give you the grand tour right now.
This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. Hey. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
So I created this little vignette in my kitchen dry sink area. And last year I wrapped this lighted vine, or lit vine I should say, around a ribbon, and I had it on my mantle. But this year I just wrapped it around that Luminara candle and set my reindeer and some trees and some filler into the dry sink area, and I just think that it looks so sweet.
Did you hear something?
Alright guys, I'm going to be quiet now and just let you enjoy the rest of the Christmas home tour. Don't forget to hang out till the end to see who won the sneakers.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
All right, guys, it is time to draw the winner of the sneakers, and I'm just gonna read the names off and show you them as I put them in the hat, and then Bob is gonna pick them. So, Pink Orchid, Lynn V. All right, the next one is Dawn. All right, Molly's going in. Rebecca is going in. I'm making my camera all blurry here with me putting those things up so close. And, all right, and the last one is Adri. All right, so you're gonna have to mix these all up in here.
I'll mix them up.
Mix them up.
I'll mix them up.
Let's see who's gonna win
Who's gonna
those
pick it, you
sneakers. No, you're gonna pick it.
Now you mix them up a little bit.
All right,
And
I
then
think they're pretty
You
mixed.
hold the hat.
Don't mind our Patriots. I know some people don't like it. All right, baby, who is it?
Dawn, go away, I'm no good for you.
Congratulations,
Oh,
Dawn. Okay. Here it is. I'll just show you. It was Dawn. Thank you, babes.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Well, congratulations, Dawn. I hope that you enjoy your sneakers. I will send them out to you. You have to send me an email with your address, so send it to angelbridgelisa@hotmail.com. And as soon as I get your address, I will send them out. So if you get it to me right away, I will get them out to you, and you will get them next week, right in time for Christmas. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this home Christmas tour. I hope that your season is going super, super well. Monday's video will be a Christmas nail video, so I hope that you will tune in for that. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So thanks again, everyone. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye for now.